Look at the lights. Look at this. You can mold this to wherever you want it to be to hold the fender into place. I do have hair. It's just not the hair I used to have. Find the light, Mike. There it is. Hey everyone, Monkey Rich Mike. You can kind of see me in the shadows. It is a bright, humid day out here. This is IAA. This is all they have to offer us today. Acres and acres and acres of cars. So we're gonna wander around, have some fun, see what these cars are like, and maybe pick out one or two. Maybe you want one, maybe I want one. I found one, I found two I already want. And we'll just kind of talk about it. So if you're a car guy or a car girl, pour yourself a drink. Look, it's not even Coke. It is so humid out here. I've gone with Powerade because I need it. Pour yourself a drink, get yourself comfortable, and we're gonna have some fun. I know somebody who would love this car. Favorite color is red and black right here. This is a 2019 Dodge Challenger. You can see she tried to go over something that she wasn't supposed to go over. That may have messed up a lot more than we can see right here. So here's some of the damage. You got the bumper, the lip down there, your fog lights, who knows what else right there. So, I don't know, there's a lot of hidden damage. The tires, though, are pretty nice. There's a lot of tread left on these. These are Venom Power Ragnarok GTS. Never heard of that. Never heard of that. I love this. That's really nice. Matching Ragnaroks. It's kind of fun to say. I love what they've done on the back. This is made to look like it's going to go super duper fast. Yep, 4 matching tires. This has got a little scuffing right here, like some parking lot incidents. Let's go inside. Oh, well, there's power. Ooh, look at the red steering wheel. Look at this. Super comfortable seats. This is the fabric. Give myself some room to get in. Yeah, people have been poking around in here. Even the floor mats match. And look at the steering wheel. Super nice. Okay, let me see if I can fix the seat, because this is not a very comfortable driving position. Here we go. Now we're talking. Okay, well, let's fix this. Wait a second, I just noticed something. Look at this. Oh, they put in the lights. This is the light. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be gorgeous at night. Okay, let's see, we do have power. So let's just see if she's gonna start for us. Oh my. Okay, 121,000 miles. She sounds mean. Did they take off the badges and this is some kind of a special? Look at the lights. Look at the lights. Can you see them? They're twinkling. What a great addition. That is so cool. So very cool. Okay, we got to watch for any problems here, okay? We have no lights though. We really don't. This is so cool. Okay, let's very quickly see what she's got under the hood. Even the exhaust. All right, is this a special vehicle or is this just your daily, your average, you know what? Let's just see. I love the scoops right here. You know what I just did. You know what I was looking for, right? Here we go. Oh, well, it is a 3.6 liter they've added. This is cool. I don't think this is stock. K&N filter right here. You can see some piece right there. Windshield fluid, radiator fluid is good. Oil filter is really, really cool. This must be for all the lights. Oh my. And then what is this? Hanging off here. Maybe this is for underground. Maybe there's lights underneath it too, probably. If you're gonna put lights above your head, you're gonna put them below your feet too. I like this. I think we're missing the pad. This runs perfect though. Oh, well, okay, so this is a little off. That's all fixable. I think this would be a great car. You're looking for something for your high school or college son or daughter. Either's gonna work. This might be something for you to give to them. Let's look back here real quick. Here it is. Okay, so there's your side piece. This goes underneath your engine. This is part of a lower fascia right here. Is this for your lights? It is. This is your fiber optic system. Look at all those little lights right there. Look at that. Okay. Look. Okay, so we had a little issue with the camera. It overheated and my little SD card filled up. So I got to spend some extra time in this lovely vehicle, and yes, the air conditioner is cold. No issues at all with the engine. I'm sure the transmission, I'm hoping there's a full brake. That seems to work. Okay. Go into reverse. There's your backup camera. That's good. Here we go. Drive is fine. It does try to go into gear. 16.9 average MPG. This is a fun car, and just this is it for me. Look at these little lights. Twinkling lights above your head every time you get in the car. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, let's keep on looking. Here's a good looking little truck right here. 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Parts in the back. They've already done most of the hard work for you. Now this was the easy stuff. It's putting it back together that is a pain. They have removed the grille, the bumper. You can kind of see where the impact was, probably on this side right here. This seems to be okay. This is pushed in a little bit. This is for your light. What you do, you get your new white fender, and you can look at this. You can mold this to wherever you want it to be to hold the fender into place. This part has been, I mean, I could literally just do that myself, but I'm going to let that be so the new owner can fix it. I don't think the damage was really severe. I mean, I haven't even looked. There's some damage here on the hood. It's still latched. Nice tires though. That's good. Well, it's a 2023, so basically the tires should still be good unless somebody drove it way off-road. Oh, she got punched in the back. She got caught up. Yeah, here's all your pieces. Some of them could be fine. I mean, the grill right here, all the expensive parts, you know, like that, are included. Your fender, if you wanted to, just take it out and you could, you know, assess the damage yourself, then order some new parts. It's gorgeous in this white. You got the Wrangler tires. Nice little cloth interior. Smell? Nice. Oh, we have power too. I love it when we have power. Makes my job so much easier. So many people have been in and out of this vehicle, I can tell you that. Yeah, that's because this is the same kind of junk that's on the ground right there. We do have power, 30,000 miles. This is nice. Okay. Uh-oh. This is in Spanish. Inspection de system de something something falla en sistema pre-collision visit su concesionario. Whatever that is. I don't speak Spanish. Obviously. What do you think's on the radio? Okay, it's country, but it's in English. That's okay. That's good. Oh, I'm loving air conditioning. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Toyota. Let's see if she goes into gear. There's reverse. There's drive. She's fine. If you're good at putting little easy to put on parts, does that even make sense? If you can put on parts, you can put them on and save yourself a lot of money. Just put them on. Yeah. Okay. This is nice. Super comfortable. I love the steering wheel. I really do. You're kind of sitting back a little bit. You get one key. Super cold air conditioning. Oh my. All right, let's take a quick peek under the hood, see if we can see any more signs of damage. Here we go. Come on. Oh man, this is heavy. This is a heavy hood, but you can see the engine is fine. We still have, your washer fluid right there. Power steering fluid is right there. It's fine. Brake fluid is perfect. Coolant is way back here. It's fine. The damage did not go past that one little bracket right there, I think. And maybe, okay, that's been pulled up a little bit. This has been pushed down a little bit. You can fix that. You can. The way cars are made these days, see, look how high the fender goes above the rail right there. They have these little bitty pieces of metal just kind of holding it up. I'm used to old Mercedes where everything was latched and attached to the big pieces, the big honking rails, and the fenders bolt directly to them, and everything just weighed a ton. Not so much anymore. Look how thin the metal is. That's why these cars are damaged and written off in what used to be, I would say, a not so serious accident. But it's a good looking truck. It's a nice looking truck. So if you're interested in a Toyota Tacoma, this might be for you. I'm going to enjoy a little more air conditioning. I know, it looks like a lot, and perhaps it is, but this is a good looking little Ford Maverick. Look, kind of a competitor with the Tacoma over there. This damage, though, way more severe, but look at all they have holding this up. Here's a rail. So this is your support structure right through here, and then you get this flimsy little thing holding the top part of your fender on. I don't know what I think about that. Usually you have a nice stiff rail coming off there, but no, not at all. And then you have these little pieces that hold on the fender. I would not want to be in an accident in something built like that. Anyway, this is broken, so I had to jump in the back and reach through to unlock the door. Look at this. That's kind of comfortable. That's kind of cool. Trimmer, thank you. Trimmer edition. This is nice. Once again, they've thrown all the parts in the back. It's a much smaller vehicle. It is. You got a bed cover too. That's nice. I like it though. I think it's kind of cool. Why is this? Is that a trimmer thing? Or is that just so you know that's where your... It is. It's so you know where your tire stem is to put the air in. That's gonna look weird going down the road. Just like I look weird going down the road. Okay, so power, I think we have it. Oh, we do. Okay, vehicle is on. Well, thank you for telling me that. Driver's door is ajar. Turn down the radio. Turn up the AC. Holy guacamole. Yes, give me some loving here. Woo! No, I don't want that. Max AC, thank you very much. We have the check engine light, tire pressure, 24,000 miles. Left rear door is ajar. Yeah, I know. One tire is low. I know. Well, that's... Holy moly! That is the most air I have seen coming out. Look at my tag. Of a vent? Ever. But it's hot air. There's no air conditioning, so apparently the air conditioning line has been damaged. Okay? Let's just go through here. Tire, blind spot system fault, cross traffic system fault, vehicle is on, driver's door ajar. I know. We're averaging 21 miles to the gallon. Okay. That's all right. You know this stuff's going to work. I mean, it's a new car. You're missing your side mirror too. This seat, you sit way up in this. I mean, it's like a dining room chair. It is so high. Here's your key. Okay. Now it's getting cold. Now we're talking. Oh my. Oh my goodness. That's nice. Okay. Well, let's see if the hood is going to do something. I'm not anticipating much because of the damage. Let's just kind of see. Are you going to let go for me so I can take a look? Say, ah, yes you are. Thank you. So, she's a little clickety-clackety. Little 4-cylinder right here. Good looking fluids. Nice battery. I just don't like how they have. See, that's how it supports the fender. And that's what happens when someone bumps into you. It just all collapses. The whole thing just collapses. I don't like the sound of that. I do not. But this thing, is it bolted on or is it? No, it's actually welded on. You could get that piece, get yourself a fender and a hood, and a light and a bumper. Well, some of the parts might be back there, and you'd be good. Wow, you got your computer stuff hanging down there below. So Ford, I don't know if I would purchase this just based on the way that the front part of the car is attached. Yeah, that's a mess. I hope you can hear me over the fan. It's a blowing like crazy. If I had a bunch of hair, I would let you see how it blows in the breeze, but it's, I don't. I do have hair. I do have hair. It's just not the hair I used to have. It used to be thick and curly. Now it's a little thin and thin. That's all right. Who cares? It is warming up out here, so I'm going to try to cram out 2 more videos. Thank you for watching these things, and a big thank you to everybody here at IAA, because I have a lot of fun coming out here. Be sure to let me know which of these vehicles you like the most, and if you find something, download the app, get the number, the vehicle identification number, the stock number, and bid on it. You can do it. You don't have to be a dealer, all right? Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, you need to subscribe, all right? We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.